I watched $847,000 disappear from my screen in 48 hours. I was 27. This happened in Austin. My name is Jake. I was a software engineer. I thought I was smarter than everyone else. March 2021, Bitcoin hit 60K. I had 50K saved. Everyone around me was getting rich overnight. My coworker bought a Tesla with crypto gains. My college roommate quit his job. FOMO destroyed me. I took out a 120K home equity loan, maxed 3 credit cards for 45K more, put everything into altcoins, no research, just hype. Luna, SafeMoon, random tokens from Twitter influencers. Within 6 months, my portfolio hit $847,000. I felt like a genius. I was invincible, untouchable. I quit my 95K job, told my girlfriend we'd retire early, started planning our dream house. Then, May 2022 happened. Luna crashed first, down 40% in one day. I didn't sell. I told myself it's just a dip. Diamond hands, right? That's what everyone said online. Next day, down another 60%. My hands were shaking. I couldn't breathe. Still didn't sell. I watched my screen refresh every 30 seconds. 847K became 420K, then 180K, then 67K. 48 hours, that's all it took. My entire life savings, my home equity, my credit cards, gone. I couldn't tell my girlfriend. I locked myself in my apartment, didn't eat for 2 days. The bank called about my home equity payment, $1,840 due. I had $340 in my account. Credit card minimums were $2,100 monthly. I had no job, no savings, no way out. My girlfriend found out. She left. My parents stopped talking to me. I was completely alone. I thought about ending it. Seriously. I sat on my bathroom floor for 6 hours. The shame was unbearable. How do you tell people you lost almost $1 million? I was that guy. The cautionary tale. The idiot who thought he could beat the system. Couldn't sleep, couldn't eat, lost 23 pounds in 3 weeks, panic attacks every single day. My landlord served eviction papers, 30 days to move out. I had nowhere to go. Day 17 after the crash, I found a Reddit post. Guy lost $1.2 million in crypto, rebuilt everything. He shared his exact recovery plan, step by step. No BS, no get-rich-quick schemes, just work. Something clicked. I could either give up or fight back. I chose to fight back hard. First step, I called every creditor, explained my situation, negotiated payment plans, reduced interest rates, got 3 credit cards down to 0% APR for 18 months, bought myself time to breathe. Moved back with my parents, swallowed my pride, saved $1,400 monthly on rent immediately. Found a contract software job, $65 per hour. Took every overtime shift available, worked 70-hour weeks. Sold everything. My car, my gaming PC, my watch collection, raised $8,300 in 2 weeks. Created a debt avalanche spreadsheet, tackled highest interest first. Home equity loan was priority number 1. Cut expenses to bare minimum, $40 weekly grocery budget. No restaurants, no subscriptions, nothing unnecessary. Started side hustles. Freelance coding on Upwork. Made $2,000 to $4,000 extra monthly. Every dollar toward debt. Learned real investing, not gambling. Index funds. Dollar cost averaging. Boring, but it works. Opened Roth IRA. Started with $50 monthly. Increased 10% every 3 months as income grew. Built emergency fund, $1,000 first, then $5,000, then 6 months expenses. Never again would I be vulnerable. Took financial literacy courses, read 47 books on investing, learned what I should have known before. Diversification became my religion. 60% stocks, 30% bonds, 10% crypto. Never all in on anything ever again. Used hardware wallet for crypto. Ledger Nano X. Cold storage only. No exchanges, no trust issues. Set strict rules. Never invest borrowed money. Never invest more than 5% in speculative assets. Always have exit strategy. Month 6. Paid off $34,000 in credit card debt. Finally could breathe without chest pain. Month 12. Home equity loan down to $67,000. My credit score jumped from 520 to 680. Month 18. Debt-free except mortgage. Built $15,000 emergency fund. Got promoted to senior engineer position. Month 24. Net worth positive $43,000. Started investing $1,500 monthly in index funds consistently. Month 30. Portfolio hit $89,000. All legitimate investing. No gambling, no shortcuts. Just patience and discipline. Today, 3 years later, net worth $240,000. Married, bought a house, sleep peacefully every night. Here's what I learned the hard way, so you don't have to lose everything like I did. Lesson 1. FOMO is the most expensive emotion in investing. It cost me $847,000. Don't let it cost you. Lesson 2. Never invest borrowed money. If you can't afford to lose it, don't invest it. Period. Lesson 3. Diversification isn't sexy, but it saves lives. Spread risk across multiple asset classes, always. Lesson 4. Hardware wallets are non-negotiable for crypto. Exchanges get hacked. Your keys, your crypto. Lesson 5. Emergency fund before investing. 6-month expenses minimum. This is your safety net, always. Lesson 6. Dollar cost averaging beats timing the market. Invest consistently, regardless of price movements. Lesson 7. Index funds outperform 90% of active traders long-term. Boring wins. Excitement loses money. Lesson 8. Never quit your job until passive income covers expenses for 24 months minimum. I track every dollar in spreadsheets. My recovery is documented. Every payment, every investment, everything. My Vanguard account shows consistent $1,500 monthly deposits, 3 years straight, no exceptions, no excuses. Credit Karma shows my score, 782. From 520 to 782 in 36 months. Proof that recovery is possible. My emergency fund sits at $31,000 in high-yield savings, 4.5% APY, liquid and accessible always. I still own crypto, but only 8% of portfolio. Bitcoin and Ethereum only. Hardware wallet, long-term hold. If this story saved you from making the same mistake, hit that like button right now. Write your biggest money mistake in the comments. Let's learn from each other. No judgment here, ever. Subscribe so you don't miss the next financial horror story. New videos every day. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. Someone chasing crypto gains. Someone over-leveraged. Someone struggling. Remember, you're not your worst financial decision. You're your comeback, your recovery. Your next chapter starts now.